As MIUI 12.5 is officially available for the Redmi Note 8 users, it has some cool and interesting features which I noticed, and in this latest updates, some features of course you don't get in the latest stable version in MIUI 12.5, even enhanced version, but in this weekly updates, if you want to install these things on your device, you can. This has very cool features for you. If you want to give it a try, you can. I will provide you the link in the description from where you can download the MIUI 12.5 Enhanced Edition Stable Update, Weekly Update, whatever you want to try it on your device from that website. Okay, we are talking about the MIUI 12.5 Weekly Update 21.1.10, which is at least latest. While making this video, of course, there are almost a lot of weekly updates available everywhere, but yes, I'm using this. Almost every build has almost same kind of things as it's based on Android 11. The MIUI 12.5 Enhanced Edition, these weekly updates, has the new security options for you which you might not get in the stable version, as I have noticed these things are not available there. Of course, these are based on China version, so yes, if you're a global user, Indian user, and you don't have the unlocked bootloader, unfortunately you can't install this build. But if you have unlocked bootloader and want to give it a try, you can. The China betas or China custom ROMs always has only one disadvantage for the Google apps, that those are not pre-included. But yes, you can give it a try by installing third-party Google apps. That is available. The tutorial is also available there. Privacy protection also has new features for you. If you don't know network interception, do not track, which is a very good feature by the way. Sometimes I use, but I always use the incognito mode, which says suspend the permissions of your device like camera and location, or maybe even microphone, that no app will be available to access these permission. This is very useful in some cases, of course, not every time. Secure input is also quite good. Lock apps password, some cool features are of course here, but of course privacy is a myth in technology, same in Xiaomi. The battery settings, yes, this has the save battery, balanced and performance mode, which was introduced some time ago. I already made a video on this one too, but that's of course a pre-installed, pre-included by default in this MIUI 12.5 Enhanced Edition. So yes, if you want to give it a try, you can try out this feature too. That's actually quite useful if you are a gamer, and you can simply enable the performance mode and try gaming. But this is MIUI, just don't compare it with the AOSP or stock devices, something like that. The new video toolbox is of course also included. The new video toolbox has the new UI. Record screenshot options are kinda same, but UI is little bit different. The floating window apps are available at the left side. If you want to enable floating windows of any of these apps, you can simply click and the floating window will be available here for you. It has very good features by the way. Video toolbox is actually quite good, including that the new game turbo is also there. What I've noticed so far, as this is a China beta base, still the game turbo is in English language, so this is actually quite useful. I haven't noticed this, but yes, it was quite good. Clear memory, DND, screenshot, record, Wi-Fi, cast, etc. All these features are available here for you. FPS counter of course there, and including that you have the balance mode and performance mode. If you want to try the performance mode, you can. So yes, that's quite good. Some things are quite good, and this is the things about the MIUI 12.5 Enhanced Weekly Update for Redmi Note 8 users. If you want to give it a try, you can. Link is in the description as I previously mentioned. This is the weekly update by the way, and if you want to install the stable version, you can. The thing what I noticed in China weekly updates is actually quite smooth. You can see the animations. Of course, I didn't enable the 0.5x till now, but still these are quite smooth. China stable or China updates are always smooth without Google Apps, of course. If you want to give it a try, link is in the description. These were things I just want to let you know. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.